Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you 5 ways to open a bedroom or bathroom door lock from the outside. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is one example of a bedroom or bathroom door lock, otherwise known as a privacy handle, okay? And let's say you or someone that is in your house has locked the bathroom door or the bedroom door and then they close it and you're outside of it, then you're locked out, okay? So I'm going to show you how to open it from the outside. Now there are other types that have little holes in them, but mainly you're going to find this type. At least where I live, this is the main type that you're going to find, and I'm going to show you 5 ways to open it up. In case you need to get inside of the room because you're locked out and you need to get in for any reason whatsoever, this is how you do it. So basically you have to turn this. Some of them, when they're locked, will be in the upright position, and I just showed you one method right there, and some will be in the horizontal position. But if it's locked, look at the position that it's in, and you're gonna have to turn it to the opposite position. And some will turn this way, meaning clockwise, and others are going to turn counterclockwise. So the first thing that you can do is use a coin. As you can see, just insert the coin into the slot, and you can rotate it to lock it or unlock it. In this case, we're not going to try and lock it, we're trying to unlock it. So let's say that it's locked, we're going to turn it with the coin to unlock it, okay? The next thing that you can use is a utensil. Now you can use something like a butter knife if you have the front of it, okay, to do that. And this is a plastic butter knife, so obviously it's probably not going to work too well, but I just use it for this demonstration. Or you can use the, if it's thin enough, the back end, so the handle of it, just like this, to lock it or unlock it, like I said, just like that, okay? So you can do that. The third way is the most practical way, but you have to have one available, and that's a screwdriver. If you keep like something like this, I always recommend you keep one of these in your house just because it's easy to access and it gives you all of the bits. So if you have a multi-head screwdriver, you can use it to lock or unlock, in this case, to unlock the door, okay? The fourth way, so we went over 3 ways so far, which was the coin, the spoon handle, or any utensil handle, and then the screwdriver. The fourth way is to use your nail, and look, I don't even have long fingernails, and I can still use them to unlock it. So let's say it was locked and I want to unlock it. Just kind of put your fingernail into that slot and turn it, okay? And the fifth way, last but not least, is just using the pressure of your finger. Now this would be a little bit easier if it was actually on a door because I could get more pressure on it, but essentially you want to just use the pressure of your finger and rotate it. Now it's a bit harder to do here, and you can even sort of get your fingertip to do a lot of the work like that. See, I was using my fingertip, not the nail, right? Just the fingertip. But it all depends. You need to work with your fingers and work with the amount of pressure that you can exert. You can't, some people can do it and some people can't, but it's always there as an option. Like you saw that I turned it this way using my fingertip. It's a bit harder for me to turn the other way. I could probably do it with this finger if I did this. So I'm not using my nail, I'm just kind of shoving the tip of my finger in there, and I can, there we go, just like that. So like I said, you can even see on my finger that I used it, the little indentation there. Yeah, that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.